Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all we have to open the dialer or the keypad as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me start with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code, which will open the calendar info. So the code is *##225 ###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best section to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. I have no idea what's going on with the camera and the focus, so sorry for that. Alright, another code is will open the diagnostics, and the code is *##426 and of course 426 ###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics. Oh my god, camera, hello. Here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or sign-on level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see, we've got more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which will open the testing menu. And the code is *##4636 ###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the tablet information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let's start, for example, with usage statistics. As you can see here, we've got the list of all apps and basically the processes which are currently on this device. So here you can check that I've spent over 13 minutes on the settings. You can change the sorting type to the last time use or app name if you want to. We've got also the tablet information. So here we've got the info just like the email number, phone number, current network, data service, data network type. I know I do not have any information here. It is because I do not have my SIM inserted. You can run ping tests here also, or tap on the three dots icon, and here you've got more options like enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's check the Wi-Fi information also. Here we've got the API configuration and the status, so let me show you, for example, the status. We can refresh the stats, and if you are connected with the Wi-Fi, you will be able to check more technical info about that. So for example, the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your BLACKVIEW Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.